In my lab, we're interested in studying communication skills by typically developing children and children on the autism spectrum. The kids that we focus in on our lab are verbally fluent, so they use language, but where they struggle is in these other subtler forms of communication, and we don't really have a good sense of how to treat that.
We have kids come into the lab and we do different tasks that kind of are just like playing, whether it's coloring, building with blocks, different things like that, and we kind of weave in certain cues and things to see how they react to things that we say. And then hopefully when we find those differences down the line, we can implement those things we've learned into different treatment options to help better the quality of lives of those children.
We have what we call naturalistic tasks, which are tasks that look like everyday games and activities that a kid might do in their regular life. So this is important to us because at the end of the day, we care about how kids with autism are functioning in their everyday life. So we try and examine communication skills in that context. Right now, the research in the lab is supported by the American Speech and Hearing Association. So even though I am in psychology, I overlap with other fields, including speech pathology. So we have some grant money to support that research.
I think having this experience and being able to interact with not just kids, but also their families as well, is important to have that kind of background when you become a health professional, because you're going to be working with people. It's really unique that we have so many different research opportunities, and because of the small classes and the close relationships with our professors, we're able to actually act upon them and become involved in so many different types of research opportunities here.